Welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 4, Multiple Representations of Functions. So this lesson is basically about how you can represent functions in a bunch of different ways. The first ways that we're going to look at are using words and equations, and you can see that up here in the key concept box. The example says, a runner's distance in a marathon is equal to 8 miles per hour times the number of hours. So that's the whole situation expressed in words. And then if you want to basically simplify this and put it into the form of an equation so you can easily find the total distance or the number of hours, you can create variables for the things that you don't know and put it in an equation form. So a runner's distance, you don't know, so that's going to be represented with D, is equal to 8 miles per hour times the number of hours. So in this situation, T is representing the number of hours. So if you're running 8 miles for each hour, say you run 2 hours, you would do 8 times 2 to get your total distance, right? So to represent this whole situation, it would be D equals 8 times T, or 8T. So words and expressions can be used is basically what it's saying here. You just have to determine what your variables are going to represent. And you're going to have more than one variable. Now let's take a look at example 1. It says the drama club is holding a bake sale. They are charging $5 for each pie they sell. Write an equation to find the total amount earned, T, for selling P pies. So you basically take this word problem, simplify it into words. Total earned equals $5 times the number of pies sold. So say you sell 12 pies, you'll figure out the total earned by doing 5 times 12. But since I don't know how many pies are sold, we're just going to create variables to represent the unknown and create an equation. So your total earned is going to be represented with T, and the number of pies sold, which we also don't know, is going to be represented with P. So then this translates into T equals 5 times P, or T equals 5P.